Now the next question, question number 7. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago means 3 साल पहले के एज का रेसिप्रोकल और 5 साल बाद के एज का रेसिप्रोकल और ये दोनों का सम दिया है यहाँ पे कितना दिया है 1/3 ध्यान में आ गया कैसे बोला The sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age कौन से एज के हमको रेसिप्रोकल ढूंढना है 3 years ago मींस 3 साल पहले वाला उसके एज का रेसिप्रोकल 5 साल के बाद वाला जो एज रहेगा उसका रेसिप्रोकल ओके now if we consider here the present age what we find here the present age of the Rahman so here solution for solution we write this statement as let present age of Rahman be x years. Today's age क्या consider किया हमने x years. Okay. Now we find his age before 3 years and after 5 years. Now present age. If I consider the present age, my present age is 30 degree. What is my age before 3 years? So naturally 27. Why? Because 30 minus 3 करेंगे. After 5 years निकालना है तो क्या करेंगे? 30 plus 5 means before find out करना है. So we have to subtract that number and after find out करना है तो we will add. Okay? So here we find the Rahman's age before 3 years and after 5 years. Got it? So his age before 3 years is equals to आज का एज उसका x है ओके आज का कितना है x तो 3 years पहले का कितना हो गया x minus 3 got it means उन्होंने कंडीशन क्या दिया है रहमान के 3 साल पहले के एज का रेसिप्रोकल रहमान के 5 साल बाद का रेसिप्रोकल और ये दोनों का रेसिप्रोकल का एडिशन कितना दिया है 1/3 so here we consider the present age of Rahman be x year उसका आज का एज हमने क्या कंसीडर किया x years therefore his age before 3 years means -3 करेंगे आज के एज से -3 years किया so what we will get x minus 3 years and his age after 5 years 5 साल बाद क्या निकालेंगे हम लोग तो after 5 years what is his age x plus 5 years understood got it now we get both the ages before 3 years and after 5 years now we will take the reciprocal so reciprocal is nothing but the what is the meaning of reciprocal you know that a का reciprocal क्या है 1/a 2 का reciprocal 1/2 1/3 का reciprocal 3/1 means denominator is converted into numerator and numerator is converted into denominator so x plus 3 upon क्या रहता है 1 x minus 3 upon 1 and here x plus 5 upon 1 here x plus minus 3 upon 1 and its reciprocal is what 1 upon x minus 3 this is the reciprocal of x plus 3 what is the reciprocal of x plus 5 1 by x plus 5 okay and the sum is what is the condition the sum of the reciprocal of these two a's is equals to 1 upon 3 got it now we solve this equation here so 1 by x minus 3 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equals to 1 upon 3 okay ये इक्वेशन हमको मिल गया था now we solve this equation just we find the LCM so we get here x minus 3 into x plus 5 numerator में क्या होगा क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन 1 into x plus 5 it become x plus 5 plus of 1 into x minus 3 is equals to 1/3 got it Now x plus x become 2x, 5 minus 3 become plus 2 divided by, here multiplication is here, so x into x square, x into 5 plus 5x, minus 3 into x minus 3x, and minus 3 into plus 5 minus 15 is equals to 1 upon 3. Understood? Therefore this, again we take the cross multiplication, 3 into 2x plus 2 is equals to 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे पूरी टर्म as it is रहेगा, then what we will get here, x square plus 2x, ये 2x कैसे, 5x minus 3x become 2x minus of 15, got it? तो 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, this is of your cross multiplication. Now 3 से मल्टीप्लाई, ब्रैकेट को 3 2 are 6x plus 6 is equals to x square plus 2x minus 15. Got it? Now we transfer all this term on one side. What we will get? X square plus 2x as it is रखा. 6x को transfer minus 6x minus 15, and this 6 always can also transfer minus 6 equals to 0. Got it? So we get here x square minus 4x, so minus 6x and plus 2x will become minus 4x minus 16, 6 plus 15, 21 is equals to 0. Got it? Now we will take the factor of minus 21. कौन से factor आएंगे? 7 and 3. So we get here minus 7 and plus 3. Got it? So we find the factors, we solve this, we get two values. One is positive, another is negative, and you know that age never be negative. So negative value we discard. So which value we consider? We consider the positive value. Next question, question number 8. The difference of the square of two number is 180. So दो नंबर के स्क्वायर का डिफरेंस, दो नंबर्स लिए उसके स्क्वायर का डिफरेंस, इसका स्क्वायर क्या, इसका स्क्वायर क्या. अब टू नंबर्स हम कंसीडर करेंगे तो नेचुरली वन नंबर इज ग्रेटर एंड वन इज द स्मॉलर नंबर. ओके, वन नंबर इज ग्रेटर एंड वन इज द स्मॉलर. सो एग्जांपल लेते हैं, सिंपल एग्जांपल, ताकि अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो सके हमारी. x इज ग्रेटर देन y. दो नंबर कंसीडर किए मैंने. द फर्स्ट नंबर इज x एंड द सेकंड नंबर इज व्हाट, y. दो नंबर कंसीडर किए. Now in this case x is greater than y, means the greater number is x and the smaller number is what, y. Got it? So first condition में क्या बोला है, difference of the square, उनके स्क्वायर का डिफरेंस. तो उनका स्क्वायर करेंगे हम लोग x स्क्वायर और दूसरा किया y स्क्वायर, और ये स्क्वायर का डिफरेंस, डिफरेंस मींस व्हाट, सब्ट्रैक्शन, एंड दैट इज ऑफ इक्वल्स टू 180. ये बन गया आपका पहला, एक कंसीडर किया. अब आप बोलोगे सर यहाँ पे दो वेरिएबल अप्लाई किए. नो, वी कन्वर्ट दिस इन द वन वेरिएबल ओनली इन द क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म, बट फॉर आवर अंडरस्टैंडिंग वी कंसीडर द टू नंबर्स, दैट इज x and y, in which y is smaller than x, that is x is the greater number and y is the smaller number. Got it? As x is greater, its square is again greater, and y is smaller, so its square is again smaller than x square. Okay, so naturally as x is greater than y, therefore x square is again greater than y square, therefore the greater number minus smaller number is equal to difference, that is of equals to 180. Understood? Now next, the smaller number, the square of the smaller number, और smaller number कौन सा है, y. Square means y square. Smaller number is y and its square is what, y square. The square of the smaller number is means equals to, क्या है equals to में 8 times, times का मतलब multiply, 8 times का मतलब multiply the larger number means कौन सा, x. Then therefore y square is equals to 8 into x, that is 8x. Understood? तो पहला कंडीशन दिया था, the difference of the square of the two number is 180, so we get equation 1, and from the second condition the square of the smaller number का square, smaller number अपना कौन सा था y, और y का square कितना है 8 times of smaller, times का मतलब multiply, 8 times of smaller, so 8 into x, so this is of equation number 2. Now can we put this value of y square, that is 8x, here also? So from equation 1 what we write here, from equation 1 what we write, x square minus y square is what, 8x, and here is equals to 180. Therefore what we will get here, x square minus 8x minus 180 is equals to 0. Got it? Now so x square minus 8x minus 180 is equals to 0. This is of your quadratic equation in which sum is equals to, so again we write here, यहाँ पे लिख लेता हूँ मैं, x square minus 8x minus 180 is equals to 0. Now we find the factors, or we can solve this equation by factorization method. So what we have here, sum is equals to minus 8 and product is equals to minus 180. Now we make the factors of minus 180, whose sum is what, minus 8. So what we get here, minus 18 and plus 10. Minus 18 into 10, 180, minus 18 plus 10, that is what equals to minus 8. तो इसको मैं यहाँ पे 2 स्टेप यहाँ पे डिलीट कर रहा हूँ, वो आप लोग करना है, okay? 2 step I will write directly, that is x minus 18 and second factor is x plus 10 is equals to 0. Got it? So x is minus 18 is equals to 0, or x plus 10 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to plus 18. This is the one value of x, and the second value of x is equals to minus 10. Got it? We get here two values. The first value is plus 18 and the second value is what, minus 10. So for x is equals to minus 10, if we consider x is equals to minus 10, यदि मैं x की वैल्यू minus 10 लेता हूँ, means the one number is minus 10. If I consider one number is minus 10, now we can find the value of y. So we have here second from equation 2, from 2, what we will get here, y square is equals to 8x. 8x means what, 8 into minus 10. 8 into minus 10 means what, minus 80. क्या मिलेगा मुझे, minus 80. Now y square is equals to minus 80. Okay, therefore y is equals to square root of minus 80, and this is not possible because this is not a real number, this is an imaginary number. So x is equals to minus 10, this value we neglect. So which value we consider, x is equals to 18. Now if x is equals to 18, then we can find the value of y. So y square is equals to 8 into 18. Therefore y is equals to square root of 8 into 18. Got it? Now you can find, you can multiply this and find the square root of this number. So therefore these two numbers are, the first is 18 और second जो आप इसका calculation करेंगे, that number. Got it?